Hello friends, I Hina Gosser welcome you again for the class. Today we're going to cover up the meaning and definition of social groups from the paper Basic Concepts in Sociology. So let's begin the class with the meaning of social groups. Meaning of social group, where first we have to understand that how a social group refers to a more individuals who share a common social identification and who perceive themselves to be members of the same social category. Hence, the shared perception or understanding that the individual feels as though they belong to a group is instrumental in defining a social group. It is this shared perception. So, are you understanding? Perception is very important when we are defining social group, because this perception only distinguish the social group from aggregates. This shared perception is referred to as social identification. So, an aggregate is a group of people who are at the same place at the same time. For example, a group of individuals standing in a queue or waiting for uh, a bus or any vehicle. So they share a common identification but do not perceive themselves as belonging to a group. So your perception is very important because that actually develop a relationship. So hence a collection of individuals waiting at the bus stop or any other for any other vehicle or any mall, etc., are an aggregate and not a social group. Another collection of individuals that need to be distinguished from social groups are categories. Categories consist of sets of people who share similar characteristics across time and space. A similar characteristics can be race or gender. Again, the feeling of belonging among the individuals involved is what distinguished individuals in a social group and individuals in a category. So this is what the explanation for the meaning of social group. So now we'll see some definitions of social group. First, we'll see according to McIver and Page, any collection of human beings who are brought into social relationships with one another. So, as we have already seen just now in the meaning, perception is important. Here again, the thinker is focusing on social relationship. So, what is exactly that? That social group consists of such members as have reciprocal relations. The members are bounded by a sense of unity. Their interest is common, behavior is similar, and they are bound by the common consciousness of interaction. Viewed in this way, a family, a village, a nation, a political party, or a trade union is a social group. We'll see some more definition here by William Ogburn. According to William Ogburn, when two or more individuals come together and influence one another, they may be called a social group. Like we can say when we are having friends, when we come together, when we influence one another, that is a social group. Another definition we can see here by Nimkov. Social group is a group of two or more persons who are in state of interaction with one another. That when we are having a group, we are sharing a same perception, consciousness, we are having an interaction we are having one kind of social relationship. So these all are very important to consider the concept called social group. So in short, a group means a group of associated members reciprocally interacting on one another. We state of social interaction refers to reciprocal influences individuals exert on one another through interstimulation and response. The state of social interaction or inter-influence is compulsory characteristics of a social group. Like a group of girls discussing the shopping is a social group because through their verbal interaction they are influencing one another. For example, again, a family living in a home, group of employees working in a same organization, group of classmates, a group of member for meeting, and so on. So these are the some example. I hope you have understood the meaning and definition of social group. Thank you.